right, so hello. So what we want to do here is we want to find the equation of the tangent line of f of x equals x minus 7 over x minus 1 at 3, -2. Okay, so in this problem, we're gonna go ahead and first of all, you want to define equation of tangent line given f. So I'm going to do I'll do f prime of x and the point x1 comma y1. Okay, so as always, I like to define the formula for the equation of the tangent line. So it goes like this, and it's kind of like in point slope form, guys. So it's gonna go y minus y1 is equal to, it's gonna be f prime of x1, right? So parentheses x minus x1, right? So then, sorry guys, my bad. Right, so we know that in this problem, we have f of x equals x minus 7 over x minus 1. Usually you are not given f prime of x, so usually we have to find f prime of x by taking derivative of f of x, right? So that's going to be my first thing here. Now, one thing that I do want to plug in, so the point that we have is 3, -2. So what I'm going to do here, I have 3 and comma, and then -2. So here we have 3, -2. Okay. And I know that x1 is 3, y1 is -2. So it's just always good to write what you're given. And so far here we have y, so thus we have y minus -2, right? So I'm just following this formula here, is equal to f prime of 3, right, times x minus 3, right? Now, like I said, we need to find what this is. So we need to find what this part is, right? Now, what we're going to do here, so we have f of x is equal to, and it was x, hold on, it was x minus 7 over x minus 1. And so the derivative, just put, here we're going to put f prime of x. We have x minus 7 prime times x minus 1 minus x minus 1 prime times x minus 7 all over x minus 1 squared. Guys, if you don't know how to do this, or whoever's watching, if you don't know how to do this, there's the quotient rule. Just know that f So d dx of f, or u over v, my bad, u over v, I'll do over v, is u prime, so u prime v minus v prime, so v, and then you're doing the derivative of v, and then times u, right? So times u, and then all over v squared, okay? I just want to mention that, guys, right quick. This is the quotient rule, so in case y'all forgot. So simplifying, let me put this on the side, to the side. Simplifying, we have f prime of x is equal to 1 times, so notice that this part is 1, right? Because the derivative of x minus 7 is 1 times x minus 1 minus, and again, the derivative of x minus 1 is 1 times x minus 7 all over x minus 1 squared. Simplifying, we have 1, I'm sorry, it's x minus 1 minus x. You're going to distribute this part, plus 7 all over x minus 1 squared. F prime of x is equal to x. So notice that these x's will cancel out, okay? So the x's will cancel out. We have negative 1 plus 7, which is 6. It's going to be 6 over x minus 1 squared. And then we know we have to do f prime of, and I know that it was f prime of 3, right? So again, let me just write down f prime of x this way. So then we know that f prime of 3. Now, guys, I'm not going to simplify the actual term. I don't think it's necessary. Sometimes it will be. Actually, I'll simplify it. So, or actually, no, never mind. So we're going to do, so we have f prime of 3 is equal to 6 over 2 squared, which is 6 over 4, which if you just, if you reduce it, it becomes 3 halves. So f prime of 3, thus f prime of 3, hold on, becomes 3 halves. Okay. So this problem is lengthy. So we have y plus 2 equals 3 halves times x minus 3. You don't have to keep, you can keep it this way, guys. Unless they ask you to write it in slope-intercept form. I don't think they will. If they do, just use your basic algebra rules that you learned in algebra to kind of simplify it, and also you must know how to actually subtract a whole number with a fraction, or fraction with a whole number. So or by whole numbers. So, but this is the actual formula. So that is going to be it for this question, guys. I know it was very lengthy, but that is going to be it. Thank you for watching.